Hey, what's up guys, this is Hebdi from SharkTweets. So today I will show you guys the best iPhone modification without a jailbreak. You can customize the lock screen of your iPhone. It's one of the coolest mods. So before I show you guys how you can customize your iPhone lock screen with this mod, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates, and also press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. So to get wallpaper like this with weather updates, we will use a mod called Glance. Glance allows you to have the weather on the lock screen of your iPhone without the need of a jailbreak. I will show you how easy it is to get this on your iPhone right now. Link of the mod will be mentioned in the description. Now just scroll down over here and it will show its requirements. Just make sure your device is compatible, then tap on download Glance. It will redirect you to the shortcut application, and you have to just add these shortcuts to the shortcut list of your iPhone. Now once you have the shortcut, just tap on these three dots and here tap on the play button to run the shortcut, and it will start running all the commands. Just make sure you allow access to the location and the permission for wallpapers, etc. It will ask you for the first time only, and then wait for few seconds for the whole shortcut to run. Then once it's finished, you will see the change on the lock screen of your iPhone. You will have a different wallpaper with the weather updates on it, and this will be your local weather information. As you can see here in Spotlight search, if I type weather, it will show you the same info as once we have in our lock screen. Now if I run the shortcut again, you can see here it will show a different wallpaper, and that will be displayed on the lock screen in just few seconds. So that's how you can modify the lock screen of your iPhone with the help of a Glance mod, and also you don't need to jailbreak your device too. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comment if you guys face any issues. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more iPhone videos. Also follow me on Instagram to get quick iPhone updates. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.